Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a heavy but important topic, the fentanyl crisis, and how tariffs are impacting it. So, let's start with a quick recap of the fentanyl crisis. This issue has unfolded in 4 phases over the past few decades. First, we had prescription opioid oversupply in the 90s. Then, the 2000s saw a rise in heroin use. Post-2012, fentanyl hit the scene hard, and now we've got a mix of drugs with fentanyl being a major player. Since fentanyl's illicit market debut, it's been linked to over 1 million overdose deaths in the US. It's hit public health, the economy, and even US foreign policy. But there's some good news. Since 2023, overdose deaths have started to decline. This drop is thanks to a bunch of efforts: wider Naloxone availability, that's the overdose reversal medication, expanded access to treatment, and international actions by the Biden administration. Interestingly, Mexican cartels might be trafficking a less lethal version of fentanyl. But not everyone is benefiting equally. Access to medication and treatment still depends heavily on factors like insurance coverage. Now let's talk tariffs. In February 2025, President Trump slapped tariffs on Mexico, Canada, and China to curb fentanyl flow. Mexico got a 25% tariff, Canada too, and China got hit with 10%, which later increased to 20%. These tariffs are supposed to pressure these countries into taking stronger anti-fentanyl measures. Canada has stepped up its game, Mexico boosted law enforcement, and China's trying to cut off precursor chemical flows. But tariffs also make things expensive for US consumers and could hurt international cooperation. And there's a catch. Some experts argue that military action in Mexico, as suggested by some Republicans, would be counterproductive. Strong cooperation, especially with Canada, is crucial. President Trump's domestic approach, focusing on imprisonment and tougher penalties, isn't as effective as evidence-based treatment approaches. So what's the takeaway here? The fentanyl crisis is complex and multifaceted. While tariffs might seem like a tough stance, they come with their own set of challenges and impacts. Effective solutions need a balanced mix of international cooperation and evidence-based treatments. That's it for today. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health news updates. Stay safe, everyone.